Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Lifestyle with Dr. Mobi. I'm Dr. Mobi, and today we have great guest from Pakistan, Dr. Ali Shawiz Yunus. He's doing physical therapy, and so let's learn from him. Let's welcome Dr. Ali. How are you? Dr. Ali, can you hear me? Dr. Ali, can you hear me? Sure. Yeah, thanks. Sorry
Yes,
for
sir.
the delay.
Please.
So tell us about yourself, Dr. Ali.
Can you hear me, sir?
Yeah, sure. Yeah, tell us about
Okay.
yourself.
Can we start?
Yeah. So we can start now. Tell us about yourself.
Okay. My name is Dr. Ali Shahwez and I'm a physiotherapist. I've done my MPhil in biomechanics from
Mhm.
University of Lahore, Pakistan. Uh, आज का जो टॉपिक होगा हमारा इट विल बी द लो बैक पेन हाउ फिजियोथेरेपी and how physiotherapists can manage the low back pain, what are the causes of low back pain, and how physiotherapists can help you with this type of pain. We will discuss about the specific and non-specific reasons and the causes of low back pain in our daily living of the people who are suffering. I think it's the second most common in all over the world. I have chosen this topic for low back pain, how physiotherapy can manage low back pain. Typically,
Mhm.
if we say low, what is low back pain? Low back pain is the pain that is below the costal margins. Costal margin means your ribs area, and above the buttock region. It's called we will call it low back pain. It's the leading cause of years worldwide experience of disability, and it's becoming increasingly prevalent. बहुत सारे लोगों में ये मोस्ट कॉमन होता जा रहा है लो बैक पेन. इसके बारे में हम बात करेंगे. Now we will talk about the acute stage and the chronic stage. If we say we have a pain for 1 week to 6 weeks, it will be the acute low back pain. And if we are having or we are facing the problem low back pain problem 7 to 12 weeks, it will be called as, or 3 months you can say, it will be called as chronic low back pain. Now, how we can handle the low back pain or physiotherapists can handle the low back pain. First of all, I would like to discuss about the causes of the low back pain. There are some causes, specific and non-specific low back pain causes. If we talk about the specific low back pain causes, it may include the hernia. It's a medical condition in which your organs are descend from your belly region. Any inflammation, any inflammatory disorders like rheumatoid arthritis, etc., osteoporotic changes, infection, or tumor, or maybe some people have the fracture history, so they can face the low back pain problem. Non-specific low back pain is the most common low back pain in our population. What is non-specific low back pain? So non-specific no low back pain is that pain which we don't know the real cause. You can say we didn't have the cause for non-specific low back pain. 90% of the people in every population in whole world faces the problem. They are in non-specific low back pain problem. So, if we talk about how physiotherapy can be done or how physiotherapists can diagnose your problem and then will help you to recover from low back pain. Physiotherapy is the, I think, in physiotherapy our goal is to reduce the back pain, increase function, and to make patients to be become their to perform their ADLS. You know, ADLS, the activities of daily living. So our main purpose is to shift patient from his disease condition to his daily routine life, so he can manage his work or his daily activities correctly or efficiently. Uh, Not only we will reduce the pain and we will able the patient to become active, to survive his active life that he is going with. Anybody who is table worker or office worker, they are having the most common complaint of low back pain. So if I talk about the biomechanics of low back pain, I have said earlier that the low back pain is most common in patient. Non-specific low back pain is common in patients who are in the persons who are table workers or office workers. If we talk about the biomechanics of lower back pain, it will be like lumbar spine. There are the regions of our spine. If I talk about the neck region, it's a cervical spine. If we in the back way, if we count this region, this will be the thoracic region, and then we will the lower back region. It's called the lumbar region, where the problem is most common, or most common people are facing the problem in their lumbar region. Most commonly, patients ask that they are having L4, L5 problem, L5 and S1 problem. So the L5, S1 or L4, L5, this is the lumbar region in our spine, and then we will then the other region is the sacrum region. In this way, we are dividing our spine in this way: cervical spine, thoracic spine, lumbar spine, and then sacrum region. So the lumbar region has the main stability, you can say, depending upon of our low back is depending upon the lumbar region or the lumbar skeletal muscles which are holding our spine, and our abdominal muscles, which are these are the muscles, lumbar spine muscles and the abdominal muscles supporting our back musculature. The whole spine is, you can say the pillar of our body is spine, and spine is depending upon these things: lumbar spine muscles and the abdominal muscles who are supporting our back musculatures. If anyone having problem in their lumbar region, so we will advise them to strengthen their lumbar spine region or lumbar spine muscles, so he can get rid of not only the pain, but also he will regain his strength, so he cannot face this problem again and again. So in physiotherapy, if we divide the treatment protocol, it will be like the essentials, in which we do exercises, or we ask patients to do exercises, or we will guide them to do exercises. Like if I talk about the lumbar spine exercises, it's straight leg raise. I'm unable to perform or unable to demonstrate these things, but I have a certain list of exercises which I can theoretically can tell you guys. So the straight leg raise exercises, wall squat exercises, hip flexor stretch, straight leg raise, ankle pumps. These are the common exercises. You can get all these exercises, or you can watch the YouTube videos for these exercises. Heels tight exercises, lumbar stability exercises, and preformer stretch. Preformance is a muscle which is most commonly injured or most commonly disabled in our back pain problems or in sciatica problems. Lumbar spine is basically the two band muscles. It's like this, and our sciatica nerve, which is the largest nerve of our body, is passing through it. If we got our performance muscle tightened, it will lead to further stretch on our sciatic nerve. It will cause the sciatica. That term used for pain radiating from our back to our whole leg, sometimes to knee, sometimes to joint. So these are the exercises. It will depend on every person or every patient. Every patient has a different history. Every patient has a different work field. every patient has a different body situation, every patient has a different compatibility with the physiotherapy or with the physiotherapy techniques. So it will depend on every patient, his diagnosis, and or the time he's for recovery. It also depends upon the diagnosis of the patient or the problem. So in physiotherapy, these are the exercises you can say the active physiotherapy treatment or active physiotherapy. We can say the exercises I have tell about. And if we talk about the passive physical therapy exercises or passive things we do in physiotherapy, these will be the modalities. I can say in physiotherapy we use ultrasound, therapeutic ultrasound. It's not the ultrasound for diagnosis of baby or abdominal problems. It's a therapeutic ultrasound. Therapeutic ultrasound use होती है इसमें TENS unit. We use TENS is the transcutaneous electrical nerve stimulation or the muscle stimulation. उसके बाद हम इसमें यूज करते हैं आइसिंग एंड हीट पैक. इट डिपेंड्स अपॉन द कंडीशन. इफ a person having any swelling or he's in acute state, so we can use the icing. And if the problem is chronic or the patient is suffering from it like more than 3 months, you can say then we will go for the heat therapy. So the low back pain is the common problem in every person. Every female or male are suffering from this type of problem. It's all about due to our bad posture. You can our daily activities. Every person nowadays activities are like we go to office for at 8 a.m. and we will return to 8 p.m. or something like that. So the whole time we spend in our offices or in our work field is sitting work, and we didn't have any proper seats for that. We are not using the executive seats for that. Also the pressure continue pressure on our lumbar spine, or the it will lead towards the low back pain, and it cause the problem. हमारा जो पोस्चर है और पोस्चर के साथ हमारी जो एक्टिविटीज हैं, द सेकंड थिंग इज आवर डाइट. If I talk about the Pakistan or the people living there, diet is not proper, diet is not on regular basis, and the deficiencies we are facing in young generation, or you can say every 3-4% the people are suffering from vitamin D deficiency. They are not taking the sun bath properly, they are not taking the milk. So these things lead towards the vitamin D deficiency, and it's causing earlier changes to our bony tissues, and also affecting our musculature or body, which leads to, if we are deficient for vitamin D, we will lead towards the osteoporosis or osteoporosis changes. That is the wear and tear of our joints. It will lead towards knee pain, it will lead towards ankle pain, it will lead towards back pain. And these things combines these things, and it will lead to a bigger problem for you in some time. You can say in one day you are not taking the right meal, the second day you will feel the lethargy. In the same way, if your diet is not proper, if your vitamin D intake is not proper, calcium intake is not proper, then it will leads towards the problems like osteoporosis or osteoarthritis changes. It will take time, obviously, not in one day. It's causing the problem in. And second thing I wanted to share about my experience is that every nowadays patients like age 18 years old, 20 years old, they are facing the problem. They are having the complaint like low back pain. They are having the sciatica. In अगर हम मस्जिद में पहले जाते थे, मैं छोटा था तो मुझे नहीं याद कि मैं इतने लोग देखता था जो कि चेयर पे नमाज पढ़ते थे या उस तरह से बैठ के, लेकिन आज अगर आप मस्जिद विजिट करें या आप जाएं तो आपको लगेगा कि अबाउट 30 to 40% लोग जो हैं वो हमारे चेयर्स पे आ चुके हैं, जो कि चेयर्स पे नमाज पढ़ते हैं। उसकी वजह क्या है, किसी के घुटनों में दर्द है, किसी को बैक में प्रॉब्लम है, बैकअप पेन इश्यूज हैं, कुछ लोगों को कि कईयों के मसल जो हैं वो बहुत ज़्यादा स्टिफ हैं, जिसकी वजह से वो अलाउ नहीं कर रहे उनको प्रॉपर नमाज पढ़ने में और ये चीज़ें। तो इस बात करने का मकसद ये था कि हमारी जनरेशन या जिस तरह हम एडवांसमेंट की तरफ जा रहे हैं, जिस तरह हमारे लिए हर काम आसान हो गया है, हम एक रिमोट से टीवी को ऑन करते हैं। पहले ये होता था कि हमें जाके उठ के उसके चैनल चेंज करने पड़ते थे। तो ये सारी चीज़ें जो भी हमारी एक्टिविटीज़ जो हैं, जो हमारी एडवांसमेंट आती जा रही है, तो ये लीड कर पा रही है हमें किस तरह के हमें प्रॉब्लम भी उसी तरह से ज़्यादा फेस करने पड़ रहे हैं। एसी का यूज़ बहुत ज़्यादा है, हम सारा दिन एसी में लेटे रहते हैं या बैठे रहते हैं, उसकी वजह से गर्मी में बहुत ज़्यादा लोगों को इस तरह से मसले आते हैं। और समटाइम्स जैसे विंटर है पाकिस्तान में भी एंड ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड, तो पेशेंट्स की कंप्लेन जो है वो बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ जाती है, जोड़ों के दर्दों की। और पेशेंट कंप्लेन करता है, जी मेरे हड्डियों में दर्दें शुरू हो गई हैं, मेरे जोड़ों में दर्दें शुरू हो गई हैं, मेरे पट्टों में खिंचाव आ गया है। तो ये सारी चीज़ें आहिस्ता आहिस्ता बढ़ रही हैं और ये यंग जनरेशन में भी ये चीज़ें आ रही हैं। आई होप डॉक्टर मोबी यू आर understanding me what I'm saying in Urdu?
Yeah.
Or shall I continue in you?
Yeah, well,
So
whatever.
we have to change our attitude. Yes. So we
Yeah.
have to change our attitudes. We have to take it seriously and we have to make it clear for our. I'm sorry. We have to teach them. We have to teach our young generation that these problems are most common and these problems are बढ़ रही हैं। ये मसाइल जो हैं हमारी ज़िंदगी में, ये आहिस्ता आहिस्ता बढ़ रहे हैं। तो इनको कैसे कम किया जा सकता है, इसमें प्रॉपर हम डाइट लें, इसमें प्रॉपर अगर एक्सरसाइज करें, हम अपने जो हैं यंग जनरेशन है उनको वॉक के लिए बोलें, उनको कोरोना डेज में कोरोना ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड बहुत ज़्यादा फैला हुआ है, जिसने हमें बायों अपने लिविंग रूम्स तक इसने हमें महदूद कर दिया है। तो इट्स नॉट दैट कि ये अगर हमें छुट्टियां हैं या हम इसमें हैं हॉलीडेज में हैं, तो इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि हम सारा दिन लेटे ही रहें और लेट के ही हम अपना सारा दिन गुजारें, बेड पे ही रहें। हमें एक्टिविटीज़ करनी पड़ेगी, हमें अपने इम्यून सिस्टम को बेहतर करना पड़ेगा और हमें इन चीज़ों को अपनी जनरेशन को बताना पड़ेगा। और उनकी डाइट अच्छी होनी चाहिए, उनकी प्रॉपर पोस्चर्स होने चाहिए। इट्स नॉट गुड कि हम बेड पे लेट के अपना टीवी या मोबाइल यूज करते रहें या देखते रहें और अपना जो लैपटॉप है अपने नो डाउट हमारे पास वो फैसिलिटीज नहीं है जो हमारे ऑफिस में होती है। हमारा टेबल होता है, प्रॉपर हमारी चेयर होती है, लेकिन उसको हम इन चीज़ों को इन्हांस कर सकते हैं अपने घर में, अपनी ये चीज़ों को थोड़ा थोड़ा हम कंटिन्यू कर सकते हैं, जिससे हम बहुत सारे प्रॉब्लम से आई कैन से बच सकते हैं। सेकेंड थिंग इज दैट कि बहुत सारे पेशेंट्स ऐसे हैं जो कि इग्नोर कर देते हैं अपनी लो बैक पेन, अपने किसी भी किस्म के पेन को, या छोटा सा मस्कुलर स्ट्रेच आया उन्होंने इग्नोर कर दिया, लेकिन अल्टीमेटली अगर वो उसको करते जाते हैं इग्नोर करते जाते हैं, तो अल्टीमेटली वो लीड कर जाएगा आपको किसी बड़े मसले की तरफ। तो उस चीज़ से बचने के लिए, उन चीज़ों को करने के लिए आप ज़रूरी है कि आप अपने फिजियोथेरेपिस्ट से रब्ता करें। अगर आपको थोड़ा सा भी पेन है, इनकी इंस्टेड ऑफ टेकिंग मेडिसिन और इंस्टेड ऑफ हैविंग इंजेक्शंस फॉर regular days or 3 to 4 injections, patients are complaining that they are having 3 to 4 injections per day but they are not recovering. But sometimes अगर इतना ज़्यादा उनको मसला हो जाता है तो वो फिजियोथेरेपिस्ट के लिए भी हैंडल करना थोड़ा टाइम टेकिंग हो जाता है वो प्रोसेस जो होता है, क्योंकि इसमें ना तो हम मेडिसिन का यूज़ कर रहे हैं, ना ही हम कोई सर्जरी परफॉर्म करते हैं। अल्टीमेटली मकसद ये है बताने का कि अगर आपको कोई पेन है या आप कोई ऐसे वर्कर हैं लाइक दैट यू आर ऑफिस वर्कर, सो यू हैव टू टेक इट सीरियसली, यू हैव टू consult your physiotherapist for your problems like low back pain. There are many problems like the office workers are facing like neck pain. They are having the neck pain most commonly because all the day they are using the laptops in wrong posture or in wrong way. So एक बहुत ज़्यादा कंप्लेन है यंग लोग जो हैं उनकी कि वो जिम गए थे, जिम में उन्होंने वेट उठाया और वो गलत एंगल में उठा लिया, उनका मस्कुलर स्पैज़म हो गया, उसकी वजह से उनको प्रॉब्लम जो है वो फेस करना पड़ रही हैं और वो प्रॉब्लम्स इतनी ज़्यादा बढ़ जाती हैं समटाइम्स के वो रिकवरी जो है उनके लिए समटाइम्स ऐसा होता है कि उसको बहुत टाइम टेकिंग प्रोसेस हो जाता है, जिम भी छूट जाता है उनका, ये सारी चीज़ें भी खत्म हो जाती हैं। लेकिन आप इन सब चीज़ों को ख़त्म कर सकते हैं, इन सब चीज़ों से बचा सकते हैं अपने आप को अपने फिजियोथेरेपिस्ट के पास जाके या उससे कंसल्ट करके। जैसे ही आपको कोई थोड़ा सा बैक पेन है या कोई भी इशू है, आप कंसल्ट करें और उससे प्रॉपर एडवाइस लें अपने फिजियोथेरेपिस्ट के पास और उसके बाद अपना जो प्रॉब्लम है उससे हल कराएं। एंड सेकंड थिंग, आई एम डूइंग chiropractor treatment also in Pakistan and acupuncture treatment and physiotherapy. We are doing the mixed session. So chiropractor treatment is also very effective for every person. You can say you have to take at least one session in a month or in a week. So it will be better for your surveillance and for your whole routine. It will enhance your work. It will enhance your capacity for doing work. तो आपको इस चीज़ से अपनी जो वर्क एबिलिटीज़ हैं उनमें भी काफ़ी फ़ायदा होगा और आपके जो छोटे छोटे प्रॉब्लम्स अगर आप फेस कर रहे हैं, कोई नेक पेन है या आपको थोरेसिक एरिया में कोई पेन है या आपको लो बैक पेन है, तो उन चीज़ों से भी आप बच सकते हैं इन सब चीज़ों को करने से।
Yeah.
थैंक यू
Thank
डॉक्टर
you.
मोदी।
Thank you. It was very comprehensive and very, extensive review. So it's very important for people to understand that a lot of back pain can be prevented, and your posture is important, your lifestyle is important. So we're seeing a lot of back pain problem because of bad posture, as well as problem improper techniques to lift weight. People don't know how to carry the weight correctly, so they're trying to do that at gym. They are trying to lift heavy weights, and they're not good at that, or their muscles are not strong enough to hold that. So your back muscles, so back of course works in conjunction with your knees and lower back and upper back and neck, and all is a symmetrical system. Problem happens is people are not careful with how to lift properly. Like you said, a lot of teenagers are trying to lift or get quick results because they want to lose weight, or they want to build their muscle quickly. But this has to be a step up approach. You can't just jump into the weight, and you can't just start on all that, because it's very difficult for body to adjust. The other thing is, a lot of people who are heavy on the weight side, they need to actually adjust the diet and lose weight before they start heavy exercise. So you just can't jump into the exercise portion without fixing your diet and weight first. So those are the very important things, like you said. Then the conservative therapy, I think you said it right. You can check the exercises, do the exercises, and you can take some alternative medicine or a conservative treatment. Getting surgery is not the answer uh, first, and even later on, unless you really have the indication for surgery. And those people who have surgery, they also, if their muscles are very weak, the outcome is not so great. So I'm sure, so acupuncture helps, yes. A lot of modalities other than pain medications do work. So those are very important consideration regarding the treatment, and I encourage everybody to kind of work on that. Any final thoughts you have for our audience? Dr. Ali, any final thoughts you have for? Okay, so I think we got a poor connection. Okay, thank you, Dr. Ali, for coming to our show. It was wonderful to chat with you about the lower back pain, and take care. Thank you.
I want to say the last thing, don't be rich in graveyard. Lose your weight, perform exercises, and live a healthy life. Live
Yeah,
a pain-free life by doing some exercises and by taking care of your diet. Thank you so much, Dr. Mobi.
thank you. Take care. Bye.